Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the Day Family, Good Vibes Only. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to screen record. I picked up a couple of tips and now I think it's time that I can share it with you guys. So let's jump right into it. First you're going to go to the Play Store. You're going to type in AZ Recorder. That's the one that I use. Okay, this should pop up as AZ Screen Recorder. Click on that. Once you click on it, I don't know what just happened. Let me go back. AZ. Okay, now it's there. As you can see, I already have it download. So if you could take a second and go ahead and download it. And once you have on screen record, so just go ahead and press open. I'm going to go back.